If you've ever found yourself typing the same sentence, signature, disclaimer, or block of text over and over again in Microsoft Word, then this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AutoCorrect to create reusable text in Microsoft Word, so you can type a short shortcut and instantly expand it into a full phrase or paragraph. This is a simple trick, but once you set it up, it can seriously speed up your workflow. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and look at the top left corner of the screen. Click File, then choose Options. This opens the Word Options window, where you can control a lot of the program's settings. On the left-hand side, click Proofing. This section contains spelling, grammar, and autocorrect tools that Word uses behind the scenes to help you type faster and more accurately. Now, in the proofing area, you'll see a button called AutoCorrect Options. Click that, and a new autocorrect window will appear. This is where the magic happens. AutoCorrect is usually known for fixing spelling mistakes, but you can also use it to create your own reusable text shortcuts. That means you can make Word automatically replace a short word or code with a much longer piece of text. Once the AutoCorrect box opens, you'll see fields labeled Replace and With. In the Replace box, type the shortcut you want to use. Keep it short and easy to remember, because this is the text you'll type whenever you want Word to insert your reusable content. For example, you might use something like Sig1, Add, or Intro. Then, in the With box, type the full text you want Word to insert automatically. This could be your email signature, a customer support reply, a meeting note template, a legal disclaimer, or any text you use often. The great part is that Word can store these shortcuts for you, so instead of retyping the same content every time, you just use your custom abbreviation. After you've entered both your shortcut and your full text, click Add. This saves the AutoCorrect entry into Word. You should now see your reusable text listed in the AutoCorrect list, which confirms that it has been created successfully. From this point on, whenever you type your shortcut in a Word document and press space or continue typing, Word will automatically replace it with the full text you saved. This is especially useful if you work with repetitive documents. For example, if you often insert the same greeting, project note, contact information, or standard response, AutoCorrect can turn a few keystrokes into a polished block of text in seconds. It's one of the easiest ways to work smarter inside Microsoft Word without installing anything extra. A few quick tips will help you get the best results. Use shortcuts that are short but not too common, so Word doesn't replace normal words by accident. Try to make your shorthand easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create several reusable text entries. And if you ever want to change or remove one later, just go back into AutoCorrect Options, find the entry, and edit or delete it there. Also, remember that this feature is not just for full paragraphs. You can use it for emails, addresses, job titles, instructions, closing lines, or any text that repeats in your everyday work. The more you use it, the more time it saves. It's a small setup step that can make a big difference over the course of a day. So to recap, go to File, then Options, then Proofing, then AutoCorrect Options. Enter your shortcut and replace, paste or type your full text in With, and click Add. That's all it takes to create reusable text in Microsoft Word using AutoCorrect. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Microsoft Word tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.